Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming compatibility and preparing both phone and car. Plug in the original USB-C cable to the Alcazar's USB port and unlock your phone. Grant prompts for location, Bluetooth, and USB file transfer. If wireless Android Auto is available, pair Bluetooth first and enable Wi-Fi on the phone. Once done, open Android Auto on your phone and select the vehicle name. This triggers initial handshake. This step ensures a stable connection and avoids intermittent disconnects later. Once connected, follow the pairing prompts on both the Alcazar display and your phone. Accept all permissions and allow Android Auto to run in the background. Make sure you set default apps for navigation and media so Google Maps or your preferred app opens automatically. Configure steering wheel controls and volume behavior to match in car settings. This prevents double volume jumps. Finally, test Voice Assistant by saying, "Hey Google," to confirm microphone routing and hands-free readiness before driving. Finish by testing calls, navigation, and media while parked so you know everything works under real conditions. If Android Auto fails to connect, first reboot the phone and the Alcazar head unit, then swap to a high-quality cable and try different USB ports. Make sure both Phone OS and Android Auto app are updated, and check for car infotainment firmware updates. If problems persist, reset Android Auto settings on the phone and reauthorize permissions. This often clears persistent pairing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.